Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to use ChatGPT to build your English vocabulary. So let's look on the board. So inside of ChatGPT, you're going to give ChatGPT some instructions, and here they are. It says, make me some fill in the blank sentences using the following words. And I just have these three examples here, but you're going to give ChatGPT the words that you're learning. So I have here excited, curious, and exhausted. And then ChatGPT is going to give you some example sentences with these words omitted or not filled in. So it might give you something like, I am very blank because my birthday is tomorrow. Or for number 2, curious. I am very blank about the future. And what you can do is you can either print these out and do them, on paper, or you can just take your answers and type them in directly to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will tell you if you're correct or not. And so that is how you can use ChatGPT to help build your English vocabulary.